Hello, welcome back to Tonghex channels. So today I would like to share about the tutorial how to cut a clip on a Capcut application from iOS. So here I already have the video and I want to make it into several clips. So I want to cut this video into several parts. So first thing, always click the video until it's in an active mode, and then now adjusting until which second you want to cut the video or you want to have your first clip. I want to have my first clip here, so just simply click split. Now you already have one clip from these whole videos, and then it's also do the same to others sections. If you want to have another clip in this part, you just need to click this split section, and then you now already have two clips, and you can do that until you get several clips that you want. That's all for today's tutorials. Thank you for watching.